My time at the Waterfront Theatre School. Quite a task to sum up what was 4 incredible years in a few short sentences, but I will do my best.
Theatre school definitely helped pave the way to my successful career with the variety of skills that I was taught along the way.
And I can say with the utmost certainty that the education I received not only gave me an incredible foundation from which to launch my career, but it also gave me an extra edge in this industry.
Working as a dance, drama, musical theatre teacher, I am so grateful for the skills WTS has given to me.
Something that the staff over at the Waterfront are really good at is being able to look at you and understand, even before you do, that you are always capable of more.
I arrived at the college as a bright-eyed and bushy-tailed 18-year-old, and I left as a 22-year-old performer who had received immensely high levels of training in singing, acting, and, believe it or not, dancing.
I was a dance major, but I did learn drama and musical theatre too, along with all the other things that went along.
You walk into every room not only with the skill set to do the job, but also with a mindset and an outlook that makes you a joy to work with.
It gave me the ability to train at the highest level to become a professional performer.
I lead the largest dance school in the Middle East, and that's thanks to all the skills that I learned at the Waterfront Theatre School.
And I attribute a large part of that success to the Waterfront Theatre College. If I had to do it all over again, you can bet I'd choose them again and again.